Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Man, it bent all it same way, isn't me? Second of all, Alkaline fans them in them late 20s, going into them 30s, right? Bro, people are
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
A few moments later.
Alright, even the Alkaline show. You see, Alkaline fans them no want to allow him to flop. You see me?
Right. You move your pussy wall and come down.
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media facts. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that boss represent fully.
Go on. Yeah, man. Well, go on, people. You don't know the things that you don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man. So, people, we see Frais run out on TikTok. Talk about Alkaline showing a bag of thing. And I say, yo, if you make them people, you know, because you see, sometimes them say something, and, you know, people are listening and might believe and understand how them things work. You understand? Somebody could go in a video and hear what them say. You see it?
Man, it bent all it same way, you see me? Second of all, Alkaline fans them in them late 20s, going into them 30s, right? Bro, people are picking it up, people are find babysitter, ticket price in my bills ad, you want to put on something nice, you want to have a look cup in here, and like, things matter. So, not because, oh, Philadelphia have 100,000 Jamaican people, cut that in half, because half of the people don't want to see him. So that's 50,000. then the next half of the 50,000, we have 25,000 now, them just can't afford it. Then the next probably have work, them occupied. Why?
When say 20s or whatever Alkaline fans, you know, say Frais say from 2018 Alkaline no gain no fans. So we there. So you're telling me people who are 20 and certain little things and them, brother, all different age Alkaline fan, me G. You understand? All different age, bro. Let me tell you with them people. You see, true, them see say Alkaline is a youth who stay to himself and them realize say people rate Alkaline, that are them problem. It put them in them feelings. Enough of them fall out and say, yo, look how the man antisocial and people still love him. Yeah, man. I tell you, Badmine strong. You see it? So that's one of the problem in a dancehall. Enough of them here forward out. Remember all Fambo forward out with you and say, yo, look at him antisocial and people still love him. So what them a try say, people love Alkaline although him not forward out and their own people are rate. That them a say no. You understand? But if people rate you generally, them rate you. And that's why I tell you, so when it comes to dancehall artists, it's not really about music, you know. It's called a friend and company thing. You understand? A bag of strength, every little thing. Yo, you see in Jamaica? Jamaica is one of the places where when you go party, artists come like a regular person in a one party. May I tell you, 7 days of the week, you have artists in Jamaica where every party you go, the artist did it. You understand? So, you see, them used to that in the dancehall space where them see artists at this party, artists at that. So Alkaline is not that type of artist. So that's why you hear them always come out, yo, look on the Ray with Alkaline, Ray. And still rate him. Yeah, man, people respect you when them not see your face every day. You see when them see your face every day, you come like nobody to them. And at that, them not realize.
You look at fight with the people. When you look on a man like Sean Paul, Sean Paul them will go these same places, but not these venues, because Sean Paul can probably pull a 10,000, 8,000, 5,000. Because I have to understand this too, you know. Why we are going to show? What is so special about this show? Just to see Alkaline, well, I can probably book a ticket and go to Jamaica and see my new rules in Jamaica, and I can look for my friend them too, and it probably work out cheaper. You see what I'm saying? So,
right now. Watch out now. Yes, because of the state of them show, they saying, my follow-up question is this. If Alkaline and Masicka not sell them show, you see?
oh, sorry for that. More than anything, I think it affects the promoter and the promoter's brand more than the artist.
You agree to?
Yeah, that's what I think.
I agree with that, and this morning go to. If Alkaline and Masicka working with this promoter and move those tickets in, why would the promoter not go and work with an artist that they have already worked with that they are sure?
Vybz Kartel.
The question you should ask is, does that artist want to work with her or him?
Exactly. Just relax, man. I know collab, man. Make him man sing him song, no, man.
Yo, I tell you, say, yo, them Gaza man are bad mind, you know. People, when me say them bad mind, you know, people. You hear what them just say? If them they could have control CJ Milan wouldn't work with no other dancehall artist than Vybz Kartel. You hear what them just say a while ago? The man say, if why the promoter don't book a artist where them know I go sell out the ticket. So a Vybz Kartel alone sell ticket in a dancehall? A Vybz Kartel alone people want to see? Bro, I tell you now already, you know, you get a reality check, you know. You understand? Reality check. You see me? Because you don't understand, you know. Say, is a demand make Kartel do what I do, you know. And every day, you get up and compare the artists them with they are road for 13 years. With Kartel lock up when nobody could see him, none at all. No matter how them travel to different countries, them still can't see him. None for the artists, them not get them visa and every little thing, you know. But them still could have fly go other places where people travel to that place to see them. So it cut down the demand. Vybz Kartel are the only dancehall artist in history who get such a huge demand in a dancehall, me G. You understand? I'm my only artist in a dancehall who can say go prison for 13 years. So we wanna expect, una use that to compare with the rest of the artists them. And not give Vybz Kartel the time yet. Vybz Kartel never there road for 13 years. So we wanna expect. You understand? So I'm going to sell the ticket them now. Give him a couple more years and see what happen. You understand? It's a different thing. Unless him go forward with something same like what Vybz Kartel now do the arena this year. Him go do one, yes, but not by himself based on him and Movado I go do one. Him not do one by himself. Him and Movado and that our one we know about for this year. You understand? Him not do the arena this year again. You see me? The shows them we do right now are shows we keep annually. Like Reggaeland, the one when do a Cayman, when the Guadeloupe, although nobody not really talk about that one day because of the Sunfest hype and controversy thing. You understand? So just that, but you know, compare it with the youth them and with other artists, we been out here where people are see all the time. And I use that. The Kartel couple years and I go see what go on.
That's what I would ask. Does that artist wants to work with that person?
Does that artist want to be here?
Alright, wanna do that.
Yo, alright. Again, when it comes down to touring, this is just my opinion. I think an artist who have a tour, there has to be a storyline behind the tour. Again, if Drake's going to tour, let's say Drake want to tour right now. He might go say, yo, Iceman tour, because we have the new song them for perform, right? Mm-hmm. But let's say he want for tour, but there's no new project. He could have said, well, at the 15-year anniversary, I take here. We do every take here song. You know what I said? There's a story behind the tour. Yeah, a lot of these shows are just a show. So like, you're going to perform, there's nothing new to the show. And you know, like, oh, Alka would have like song like Tom Tom, we never performed it really. I like him as your new level anniversary tour. And you say, block club, I get my perform there. You know what I said? A 2016 tour, you know? So, none of these tours don't really have any significance.
Jeffrey, we have the last question.
You know, just final follow-up, I'm done, since we get interrupted. I just want to ask the last on your arm week.
The Gaza man, you know, the man them never talk about Alkaline, but a Gaza man. But tell you, the man them have an obsession with Alkaline, you know. The man them talk about different things, and I even bring up the conversation, you know. You understand? So that's why you see him keep on ask Jeffrey a question.
Oh my God. What may I ask you? If it not affect them, see, publicly, we know say somebody somewhere, some promoter probably consider this artist an unsure bet based on the numbers of them.
No, the demographic matters. The geographical part matters. Nobody in the Caribbean now look on Alkaline. Chance to show him in Philadelphia and worry about himself in a cell. Nobody know that, bro.
So yes,
this is where the follow-up comes in. I'm not debating whether or not these artists are sure bets in general. I'm saying in terms of arenas, which is what they are following the footsteps of a certain arena seller, aka arena seller. So because they are following the footsteps, I would love if you said it louder.
Yo, them Gaza man are real fish, you know. Yo, me I tell you to rat it. Brother, you see, in the next couple of years, we're not going to realize what going on. I want to use some hype thing right now. That I want to use, me chi. You see me? I may understand. But down the line, we're not going to realize that. Because we're not realize, you know. Remember, say Alkaline did there in a Barclays Center last year, August, with about 8 artists. Right? And then 7 months after him sell it out by himself. Dominate it by himself. If you check Vybz Kartel, most time shows them is more like a cameo thing. Vybz Kartel not dominate him show most of the time by himself. See there, him go Reggaeland. Nobody talk about the performance. What them talk about? See them pregnant. They're telling us, I just hype on the run within that controversy and these things, you know. And I feel like say them thing they can move the culture. Them thing they talk about today and then tomorrow it gone, me G. That nah the culture, me G. You see me? Right now, Kartel if you use Movada right now, I do the Gully and Gaza thing. See? Next year now, I think him have a ship show. Where Dream Weekend, it's basically Dream Weekend I keep it and then put him as a face and every little thing. See? You know how much artists I got up on the ship show there? 40 artists. 40 artists are up on the show there. You understand? And I don't think them got 10 artists yet. And next year next year, April. So, we soon realize what I want because most of them shows them and the arenas them. At the domination of the artists, most of the show them people know say other artists are go forward. You understand? So that different. You see me? But one of you look pan, remember say, Alkaline gone 13 years in his career, the youth are do great. Him a do right now, him sell out Barclays Center, him sell out the UK arena. After him first decade, the youth had beat. You understand? By himself. No for the other dancehall artists, them not doing that. Not say me a discredit, but who did it before Alkaline, them not do that either. You understand? So the youth great already. Him start early and him a go on with things now. You understand? So when you can feel like say, yo, this arena thing will go on forever, you know. It's just a matter of time. You see me?
It's a great absence. Relax now.
Yeah, so what I'm getting at is this. Does it affect how promoters might be taking a risk to put these individuals in these spaces, arenas and so forth?
No, the truth is this, it really comes back down to the geographical part of it, isn't it? Because enough of them artists here. Alright, the truth is this, bro. I'm gonna say the truth is a lot. I'm gonna podcast them. So the truth is this. Bro, when you see Vybz Kartel do a show in America, a majority of Jamaican people are go and diaspora people, isn't it? So it still comes back down to where you're there and how much of your people them willing. Alright, even the Alkaline show. You see, Alkaline fans them no want to allow him to flop. You see me?
Right.
But are we gonna say that?
Are you saying Masicka's fans would like him to flop?
No, man, allow them.
Yo, Jeffrey always bring up the conversation here. Alkaline fans don't want him flop. Bro, you know no sense. But I know how them money do podcasts, you know, with them type of brain, you know. The man say Alkaline fans don't want him for flop. Wait there. No music people are gonna watch them artists perform. When since so wait. So all these years, the first new rules in Jamaica, Alkaline fans never want him for flop too. Since that me realize now, if I'm Vybz Kartel forward out, some narrative we bring is like when the government are forwarding with some weird type of laws, you hear some weird type of thing. When Alkaline do shows years ago or so, how me not hear this conversation say Alkaline fans no want him for flop? If that make any sense? If people are forward out, remember I know some of the people in the Alkaline show, you know, is not actually say Alkaline fans, you know, bro. Them just love dancehall music. So what y'all say now make no sense. You understand?
No, I'm saying that Alkaline has more die-hearted fans than Masicka. And Alkaline have more female fans. You see this idea where people have talked about, yo, them on the control the streets? We're talking about men, and men don't buy tickets. I can't tell you that much. You see me? So
Jeffrey, my final question. My final question. Jeffrey, do you think Vybz Kartel can do what the three people have done in New York with the same price and everything?
No. Alright. Because
no man, him can't do that, me G. Can't do that. You see me? Him can't do that, me G. Even the last show, the one day, brother ticket did that drop way down from 1,000 US to must be $200 and something. You understand? For the third show. The two show did alright because that was his first time in a US after 20 years and so. But you see the third one, where they keeping a Barclays? Problem that. Them did have to drop the ticket way like a 77% decrease. You understand? Yeah, but I know so it work. And nothing wrong. You see it? It's just the demand at the time. You see me?
Because the anticipation over.
yeah, that's common sense, that bro. It's like if because just getting papers and come here. You gotta put up and put. No matter.
And don't surprise when you see the Gully and the Gaza thing in a United States. Don't surprise.
But if him start coming here every week, I don't want to see him again. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck. No answer question, Jeffrey. Eric, can we counter?
So Popcaan Vlogga forward there now.
Yeah, I'm here there, reason. So what your criteria
we say your artist is bigger than our next artist because most of the
Bro,
things.
there's so many criteria. So many.
Alright,
Streaming,
I reason me, because me go give you my thing when me approve. You see me? Now for me, Popcaan is a way bigger artist, so Vybz Kartel. You understand? The impact is there, the success, the music, all of these different type of things. The first artist to go in a solo arena by himself, all different places. Someone know
which arena Poppy going?
No, we never.
The UBS.
UBS, sure?
No, the first arena UK. Hold on, the break. The jail. Next to
the SSC arena in the UK. You get to me? I say, was the first dancehall artist to really go in that place in 2018. No other dancehall artist never really made that feat the first.
When would you come out? When would you do the film one?
Buju the show long after that, man.
Long after that, Buju do finish.
And to be fair, dog. I did Shabba first go over the still. I'm just saying.
But hold on. There was
study. Hold on,
Jeffrey, me I talk to when I talk to the man for one man reason about all the one person talk.
Hold on, the bread. Make study go.
When I carry still.
Okay. I just Jamaica reason.
Not hearing, you know.
Yeah, I want to hear your take on that now.
Alright. Here's the thing. You see that argument that Popcaan bigger than Kartel argument there? It's a solid argument. But I think at one point Popcaan was really bigger than Kartel, but you see the fact that him forward out, bro. The forward out, I think that just changed back everything and bring it back to where it used to be, isn't it? So,
the man said Popcaan was once bigger than Kartel, but him forward out. But I understand, either the person bigger or the person smaller, brother. You understand, based on them little, you see me, career-wise. I would know say Popcaan have the achievement and everything. You see me, but me don't understand that, BG. Then I understand say, yeah, Vybz Kartel forward out with a high demand. And him a do them shows, then him a do the arena them. You understand? I understand with that, my G. You see it? Remember, you know, all our Vybz Kartel are doing, you know, it's because of the advantage we have over the artists, them, you know, my G. You have to look on these things, you know. There's no other dancehall artist have the demand, and because of the prison, you understand? And because him couldn't go these countries. You see me? That's why everything happen now. I'm tired for telling you, bro. You see me? Tired for telling you. You see what I try to say? So, see him in a Houston. See, let me show you what I want, people. See there? See him in a Houston. Ticket never did that go on with the show. You understand? The ticket never really sell with the show in a Houston. You see me? So, them did have to cancel the show. Nobody not really talk about it because of Vybz Kartel. Them only highlight certain things. You see me? So, I just saw it go, my G. You see me? So, I just one of them thing, the people. But, I don't understand what Jeffrey said a while ago. You see me?
Look, you know, I'm not going to really say what you say.
Right, so,
it's very solid. But I'm going to say the forward out now, it kind of really changed it back to him being the man, isn't it?
In what essence? Because I've not seen where his music has surpassed what Popcaan music has. You understand?
Yeah, I hear you, you know, but again, we have to look on the thing when you impact, bro.
Why they can't
after this?
Yeah, go through.
Alright, you mentioned Popcaan doing it first. That's one side, right? You see me? One side, right? But look what Kartel do in England. You see me? Look what Kartel do in the US.
Well, outside of that though.
Yo, you know, so now pre the logics in bro. Yeah, look what Kartel do in England. But bro, Kartel never do it the way how you that say the normal way like how Popcaan do it, my G. You understand? Him never do it, so I feel like that's an unfair conversation because Popcaan do it while him there road, everybody a see him. You understand? Vybz Kartel do it because I'm absent. Nobody couldn't see him none at all. So obviously, him a go do more than that in the UK, my G. Call how much years UK na see the man? You have to look on them thing there to my G. You see it?
The first road you're saying. Hold on, man. More add to what you're saying in England. You understand? Well, the annual fest over there in the Crystal Palace Bowl, over 17,000. Again, you understand? Something that Bob Marley was the only other Jamaican to really sold out.
Study a batch number, study a batch number. Study a batch number,
that's a while ago. That hear me though? Yeah. So back to the Crystal Palace Bowl and all of them type of thing, the annual fest. So it's not just a one place or a one time. As I say again, 40,000 in Gambia, over and over in the world. All of these things where we see man are closing regular and already. Popcaan been a do it. Still a do it.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
You know why worst thing, people? Jay Frais, a thing, you know. Why, me I tell you. You see, sometimes when an artist put you out there, it no matter what you do, you know. You understand? It no matter what you do. Me I tell you people, you always are gonna put beneath the artist there. You understand? Him just say a while ago say Popcaan was once big, but Vybz Kartel come out now. But to be honest, a cartel boss Popcaan, you understand? Him put him out there, everything. So him would have been the bigger artist. You see me? But it's just that Popcaan have a more like a achievement thing. You see me? Because Popcaan most of them achievement them and a real him solo like a more like a solo and him solely do it. You see me? I'm more like, you know, the label where him do all of them little thing there. You see me? But by himself, him have a few things, but you see me? I just one of them thing there. You see it? So Kartel would have been the bigger artist. You see me? Yeah. Based on the impact, every little thing. You see me? That's my opinion still. You see it? Popcaan is a more like a more commercial. You see me? Yeah, more commercial. You know, a lot of people say Skilly Bang bigger than Alkaline. Way. You see it? But that's just like a commercial thing them are pretest, but Skilly Bang can't do certain things that Alkaline do. You see me? And when you check it, a label and collaboration would have make even Skilly Bang reach a certain stage. You understand? But Alkaline are the bigger artists with Skilly. We know that. You understand? We are talking about fan base and pulling power and them little thing there. You see me? Yeah, man.
The impact we Kartel forward with. Why the music has not made that step?
Wait, why the music? What do you mean why the music?
Music.
I can't look on you until I say Vybz Kartel have a gold song without a label. Incarcerated.
We hear that already.
No, you're saying that. Wait, you're saying that music hasn't done whatever. But I'm saying Popcaan doesn't have that. He has gold records, but it's not his songs. He's a featured artist on it.
Twist and Turn is Popcaan song. First and foremost, that is a Popcaan song.
Cool. All right,
you understand? Listen to Masicka again.
Cool.
Understand the character with certain stuff, man. Make you understand certain things. Popcaan also have 2 silver solo because we like to do that alongside at least
around. We don't use silver. We won't use the American method.
No, only use America. Well, them have 2 gold in America. Vybz Kartel have 1.
And no, so you know what? What my question to you? Would Popcaan say he's bigger than Vybz Kartel?
Why not?
Yes or no?
Yes, 100%.
You don't believe that?
Sure. You don't believe that? Why would I believe that?
So hold on, study. Give me a ask. So you in a year, right? You think say Popcaan can do what Vybz Kartel do in America?
And more.
That's how
And more.
Yeah, man, Popcaan can do that, man. Bro, it's like, come on, my G, my youth. Come on, bro. Come on. Bro, Popcaan, one understanding, bro. You have to look on the timing. Popcaan never yet go USA yet, perform in the United States yet. The man never do that yet, my G. Him never go United States yet. Popcaan how much? 30 yard? Imagine Popcaan going to United States. Vybz Kartel go US. You see me? But Popcaan yet never go. Popcaan have a lot of features with artists and every little thing. Popcaan can do it, my G. May I tell you? Him can do it. You see it? Him can do it, bro. You see me?
Some things there. Before we go down the line, I'll be first. Watch on a Jeffrey, more ask you something. Before you ask me, study I said no really sound crazy in a certain, you know. But again, I feel like you must look on numbers only, bro. Kartel is
the impact should lead to numbers, Jeffrey. Why you have an impact?
Can I ask a question? Who's Beyonce and Rihanna? Who do you think is more impactful?
Rihanna. Who's more impactful?
Yeah, Rihanna.
Beyonce may say more impactful.
Rihanna impactful more.
But that's Rihanna way more impactful.
Way more better.
That's Rihanna way more sexy too.
Yo, it's so funny. Is that him not say Rihanna, although Rihanna, you know, a more like more Caribbean girl, you see me? Sorry, so him not say that, him say, but I don't think Beyonce impactful, dog. I'm more like Rihanna, my G. You see me? Beyonce, you're not too, I don't know, you're not too weird about much. But Rihanna, yeah. You see me? If you see any vibe, she have the impact, my G. I tell you that. I'm not sure my opinion that's still one thing people in the comment section because I don't know if Beyonce everything I just fall off what him name? My you the her husband, Jay-Z, but Rihanna impact by herself. You see me mean yo Rihanna do this. Yeah man, Rihanna that dominate. You see me? Yeah.
Now the people.
Beyonce is more impactful than Rihanna. For me.
Rihanna about impact.
Has Beyonce ever sold cosmetics? What Beyonce can say?
Why him say that? Just ask me why him say that.
Why you say that? Study.
Different.
Our music, the beehive, all of these different type of things, the heights where our music reach. What do you mean? Why am I say that?
Alright, let me explain something to you. Beyonce has never successfully marketed or branded a product and sold it.
More than Rihanna. Like outside the music though.
No, we not talking. Music are one thing. We're not talking music.
That's an impact as well. That's an impact as well. So Jeffrey, what you expect from Masicka album or for
that's the funny part, man.
In my year, man. Beyonce make a woman turn single.
People, big up on yourself, you know. You see me? Big up on yourself. You see it. I just one of them things, the people. But you don't know what media facts. Yeah, man. Content or content. You see me? But some reason we talk, it even make no sense. But people, big up on yourself, you know. And I don't know what media facts on you. That is it.